Think making $600 a day from your phone is impossible without selling something or building a huge online presence? Think again. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I've done it. No website, no selling, 100% legit and free. Stick with me and I'll show you how to grab this opportunity before more people know about it and become more saturated. So, let me tell you about this financial company, Sophie. Now, you've probably heard about them or at least seen their name around because they are everywhere. I mean, they've even got a massive stadium in Englewood, California that's home to the Los Angeles Rams and the Chargers. Yeah, it's that big of a company. But here's something that not everyone knows. Sophie is paying regular people like you and me anywhere from $300 to $600 a day just for referring others to their program. Wild, right? And the best part is, you don't need to be some kind of financial expert or salesperson. You don't even need to buy or sell anything. You're literally getting paid to share an opportunity with others, and it's legit. Now, you might be wondering what a referral grant actually does. So I'll show you step by step how you can start making money with this, and it's easier than you think. And you can start seeing cash hit your account as soon as today. Let me start with a comparison to help set the stage. You know how big banks like Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo offer you a couple of $100 to open a new account with them? You've probably seen those promos where they give you $200 or $300 just for signing up. Sounds cool, right? But there's a catch. They'll make you jump through a bunch of hoops first. Usually, with those big banks, you need to set up a direct deposit, which takes time. And then, even after you do all that, you have to wait weeks before you actually see that money. It's a process that frustrates a lot of people, and understandably so. I mean, who wants to wait that long? But Sophie, their referral program is a game changer. It's fast, easy, and you get paid almost immediately. In fact, you can start making $300 to $600 a day without any of the hassles that come with those other banks. And I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do it. Alright, before I dive into how to make money with Sophie's referral program, let's talk about why Sophie is catching everyone's attention. It's not just because they have a giant stadium or run ads all over the place. It's because their banking services are actually solid. Sophie offers some pretty amazing benefits that you won't find with most traditional banks. One of the biggest perks is that they give you up to 4.6% interest on your money. Yep, you heard that right. 4.6%. That's basically free money just for keeping your cash parked in your account. Compare that to your typical savings account at a big bank, which offers what, 0.01% or something ridiculous like that? It's a no-brainer. And that's not all. If you decide to set up a direct deposit with Sophie, the perks just keep on coming. You can receive your paycheck up to 2 days early. Now, I don't know about you, but getting paid early is a pretty sweet deal, especially if you've got bills coming up or you just want to have a little more flexibility with your money. On top of that, they're currently offering $300 bonus just for setting up direct deposit. So you're not only getting paid early, but you're also getting a nice chunk of cash dropped into your account. And here's a feature I personally love. No overdraft fees. We've all been there, right? You accidentally spend a little more than you've got in your account and suddenly you're hit with a $25 or a $50 fee. It's like adding insult to injury. But with Sophie, none of that. If you mess up, they've got your back. They're also serious about protecting your money. Sophie offers up to $2 million in extra insurance, just like the big banks. So, not only are they helping you grow your money with higher interest rates and fewer fees, but they're also making sure your cash is safe. It's the best of both worlds. Now that you know a bit about Sophie and why they're different from other banks, let's get into the fun stuff. How can you make money with their referral program? Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to sell anything. You don't even have to buy anything. And unlike a lot of other bank promotions, you don't even need to set up a direct deposit to qualify. And the best part? You get paid fast. Every day, in fact. Sophie sends you your referral payout directly to your bank account, so no waiting around for weeks like you would with other banks. And to give you an idea of how successful successful this program has been, Sophie has already paid out over $20 million to people like you and me, just for referring others. This isn't just some small-time deal. This is legit, and people are making serious money with it. Now, for the purposes of this guide, I'm going to focus on Sophie's checking and savings accounts, but they do have other products that can earn you even more money if you're interested. So, here's how you get started. First, you want to set up your own Sophie account. I'll include all the links below to make it easy for you. Once you're on their site, look for the Claim Your Bonus button. You can't miss it. Click that and you'll be taken to a page where you'll fill out some basic information. Name, address, email, the usual stuff. It's just like setting up any other bank account. Now here's where it gets good. To start earning bonuses, all you need to do is deposit $50 into your Sophie account. This is pretty standard for most banks. They require a minimum deposit to open the account. But here's the kicker. Sophie gives you a $25 welcome bonus for making that deposit. So right off the bat, you're up to $25. That's like getting free money for doing something you were going to do anyway. Okay, once you've set up your account and deposited that $50, the real money making starts. You'll get access to a personalized referral link, and this is where the magic happens. Every time someone signs up for a Sophie account using your link, you get paid $75 instantly. Yup. Just like that. It's deposited directly into your account, no strings attached. To give you an idea of how quickly this can add up, let me share my own experience. When I first started, I referred 10 people in just a week. That's $750. And I wasn't even gonna go all out, just sharing the opportunity with a few friends and family members. And the best part, sometimes that $75 bonus goes up to $100. Now, I don't know how long this program will be around, but it's been running for quite a while. That said, I wouldn't wait around too long to jump on this because, as we all know, good things like this don't last forever. You'll want to act fast to make the most out of it. Let's do some quick math to see how this can really stack up. If you refer to just one person, say a friend, partner, or family member, you're looking at $125. Why? Well, you get $25 for opening your account, they get $25 for opening theirs, and you get $75 for referring them. Boom! $125 in your pocket. Now, let's say you refer to 3 people. That's $225. 6 people, you're up to $450. And if you get 10 people to sign up, you're sitting pretty with $750. See how quickly that adds up? It's seriously one of the easiest ways to make extra cash. And the sky's the limit. Alright, so now you're probably wondering how you're supposed to get people to sign up using your referral link. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me share what worked for me. Start with the people you already know. Friends, family, co-workers, even acquaintances on social media. Just send them a quick message asking if they want to make some easy money. And trust me, people don't turn down free money, especially when it comes from a legitimate source like Sophie. You don't have to write a novel either. Keep it simple. Something like, hey, I just found out Sophie is giving away $75 if you open an account with them. It only takes a few minutes and you'll get free money. Do you want the link? I've found that most people are more than happy to jump on something like this, especially when you explain how easy it is. After you've hit up people in your immediate circle, it's time to expand your reach. This is where things get fun. I'm going to hook you up with a list of over 200 free classified websites where you can post ads for your referral link. These sites can reach millions of people, and it only takes an hour or two to get your ads up and running. But here's a pro tip. Don't just limit yourself to classified sites. Post your referral link on social media too, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you've got an audience. The more eyes on your link, the more money you're going to make. When I first started, I wasn't even doing anything fancy, just posting my link and letting the program do the rest. One site that I've had great success with is the Free Ad Forum. It's a goldmine for referrals. But again, don't stop there. Test different platforms to see what works best for you. Now, if you're serious about turning this into a steady income stream, let me show you how to take things on the next level. Beyond the one-time $75 payouts, you can can actually start generating residual income, money that comes in month after month, even if you're not actively working on it. How do you do this? By setting up a system that works for you. I'm talking about creating sales funnels that bring in referrals automatically. This has been a game changer for me, and I'm excited to share how you can do the same. Funnels may sound complicated, but trust me, they're not. You don't even need to have a website to start. You can use simple landing pages that capture people's attention and get them to sign up for Sophie through your referral link. If you want to get more advanced, you can start building an email list, running ads, and even creating content around Sophie's referral program. The key is to automate the process so that it works for you 24/7. All the resources you need to get started are right here. I've included links to tools, templates, and tutorials to help you hit the ground running. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see that money roll in. Let's get you making $300 to $600 a day with Sophie. Now, if you'd like to learn how to make money passively without doing anything, well, make sure to watch our other videos. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Okay, I'll see you over there.